I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Lesleyanne here. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. And today I'm bringing you a Look Fantastic box to review. So this is January's Look Fantastic subscription box. So this is my own subscription, and it's one of the things I'm going to continue to treat myself to this year. I really like it because it's mainly based on skincare, so you might get the odd little thing sort of makeup wise in here, but generally speaking it is skincare, and I do like skincare an awful lot. We're actually going to be doing a no spend January and trying to be a bit more frugal through the year. I have said that this beauty subscription box I will be able to treat myself to. Now, as I say, I do subscribe to it. It's about £13 I think a month. It really depends on whether if you don't know anything about the subscription box, you can subscribe for sort of like 12 months, 6, 3, or just do a monthly roll-on. If you do a monthly roll-on subscription, then you do have to give like a month's notice to cancel. If you do any of the others, you can cancel whenever you want to. The reason I've decided to carry on with this is because you do get some really great bits and bobs inside of it. I'm not generally upset or disappointed with the things that I get in this subscription box, which again is the Look Fantastic one. If there is something in here that I don't particularly think I'm going to use, or I have used it before and I didn't get on with it for whatever reason, then I save them and then I gift them again to people throughout the year. So I'd make up a little pamper box, you know, a little skincare basket or something, and just use those products. So even though I'm spending, what, £13.99 I think it is, the box is worth way more than that. And so I feel that I'm getting treats for myself, and as I've said, if there's something that I don't think I'm going to use, then they're popped away and I use them to sort of like make up gifts. I'm sort of saving a little bit of money there as well. Now, I've noticed this month they don't have the beauty edit in there. Normally get the little magazine in there. They're not doing that anymore, which is a shame. It is now online. I think that's a bit of a pity really, because I really did used to like, you know, having that little magazine to sort of read whenever I wanted to, not have to have a phone or a computer or a tablet in front of me. Alright, so this is the box for January, and it is worth more than £58, so over £58 worth of goods in here. So, you know, it is a win-win really. And I hang on to the boxes actually as well, and I like put, say, a top and a bottom in a drawer and then store things in, so they make nice little storage containers because they are really sturdy. Anyway, so it comes like this, and then it has the tissue paper on it, and then you open that, and then you've got all your little goodies inside. So I'll get started and start to pull them out. So I've got my glasses on now because I'm going to be looking down at my screen here. You don't get the magazine anymore, so I need to sort of refer to the prices on the website now. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this. This is a molten brown. This is the body wash in orange and bergamot. Absolutely lovely. I've had this before. It smells amazing. It feels amazing. And if you've ever had molten brown before and you wonder why they've got the little knobbly bits here, it's not because it's a pattern, it's because if you drop them in the shower, they kind of stop rolling because you've got the little knobbly bits to stop them. This is 100ml, so it's classed as a deluxe sort of size, and this is worth £7. Incidentally, you get the little card in there, and it has got a little scan me code barcode on it. So you scan that, and that takes you straight through to the magazine to look at. And then the next item I'm pulling out is this one. So it's the Lumin Oxygen Recovery 72-hour Hydrogel Mask. It's 15 mils and it's a deluxe size, and this is worth £4.90. And this is an intensive gel mask, like a hydrating gel mask. I haven't actually opened this one yet, but I can do. It's got the little seal on it still. So there we are. So definitely the gel, the bouncy gel. It's the fragrance from it is kind of like a spa sort of smell, you know, when you go into a spa, that sort of smell. And so my hands are absolutely terrible, really. So what I might just pop a bit on the other hand and use it on my hands. There, how much is in here? 15 mils is in here. And you need such a tiny little bit that feels lovely. Lovely and cooling. But obviously it's not for your hands, but you can use it wherever you want to. You know, like I will. Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, the next one is this, and it's by This Works. And here you've got 15 mils in here. And it's This Works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum, deluxe size, worth £18.50. So in here you've got your hyaluronic serum. Just pop a little bit on my hand to show you. It's just there. That's going to add some really nice hydration. Doesn't really have a smell to it. 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C help plumping and brighten morning skin. So pop this on in the morning. And then this one, this is really cute. This is the Lanolip Strawberry Ointment, full size, £8.99. So it is the strawberry one. It's got 100% natural, 101 uses. It's 100% natural. It has 101 uses. It says it's a little tube of magic with strawberry extract and vitamin E. This I'm not going to open because I probably won't use it, purely and simply because I have so many to use up. So many lip products I need to use. So I am going to keep this, and that is going to sort of go into a hamper, little beauty hamper, or maybe even a giveaway. Okay, then I'm going to go on to this one. So this here is by Style Dry. It's coconut and fig hair mask, 50 mils, deluxe size, worth £11. So I can't wait to use this actually. So it's coconut oil and Maramaru butter. You just work it through your hair from root to tip, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then obviously rinse off. And they recommend to use this once or twice a week. I'm hoping this is nice because I'm looking forward to using this. So this should have a really good scent to it. Oh my goodness me, it's lovely coconut. And it's not overpowering. It's not like, you know, like the really sort of artificial coconut smells that you can get. It's not like that at all. It's almost like coconut water, that sort of very gentle coconut smell. Oh, can't wait to use that. And then last but not least, I have already used this actually, because I have peeped into the box obviously and had a look and took it out of its original packaging and everything. So This is the Brushworks Scalp Massage Brush, worth £7.99, and I did use it the other day, and I just sat here actually watching TV and just giving myself a little head massage. It was amazing. It says achieve a deep cleanse, increase circulation and exfoliate your scalp using the scalp massaging brush. The silicone bristle brush helps to remove build-up of hair products, and the curved handle offers a secure grip for ultimate control. Wet hair. Once your hair is wet, apply the products of your choice and then use the brush to massage your head in small circular motions. Add gentle pressure to ensure a deep cleanse. Continue to scrub whilst rinsing and finish by brushing your hair from root to tip. And on dry hair, it says, which is what I did, but I didn't put anything on it. Naughty girl. Apply a generous amount of oil to the hair and scalp when using the brush on dry hair. Massage your scalp in small circular motions whilst using gentle movements and light pressure. You can then wash your hair as normal. This is what it looks like. It's really, really easy to hold. You know, you can just literally hold it in your hand like that. So it's really ergonomic to hold, and then just sort of like, I mean, I just sat here like this and just, well, I held my hair like this and I just sort of massaged round and round. Oh, it's so nice. You could honestly, if someone did this for you, you'd probably fall asleep. It's amazing. Yeah, so that's the last item in the box. They do say it's worth over £58 for the whole of the box. Brilliant, brilliant price. 2 items here I'm going to be putting away to be gifted, or I may do as a, I might do a little beauty box or a little basket and make it up of little bits and bobs as I kind of get them and give them as a giveaway on my channel. That would be really nice, but I actually already have this. I was gifted some of these by my husband for Christmas. I had a little set of Molten Brown. So I've got this, so I'm not going to be greedy and keep both. I'm going to gift this one and that one. So that's going to go into my little stash. So this is what I mean. If there's something that you think, well, I don't know, I've already got that, I've used that, didn't like it, or don't need it, gift it. Put her over my shoulder. She wants to get where I put the box, which is typical, isn't it, Mrs.? Whoops. Stay there, it's all right. And she gets all flitty and flighty. You flitty and flighty. Now you want to sit on the pillow. There you go. Come on then. Guys, you should know what she's like by now. You must be used to Elsie by now. She always wants to be in a video. It's not a video unless she's in it, really. Is it, little girl? You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi to people? Come on then. Don't go stiff. Stop going all stiff. You good girl. Hey, you good girl. Kiss. Oh, now I've got little teddy bear down here knocking at my legs saying, pick me up, pick me up. Anyway, my lovelies, I'm going to go now. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. It'd be absolutely awesome to have you as part of my friend group on my channel. And take care, my lovelies. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Take care. And here's Teddy. You wanted to get involved, didn't you?